The 2021 PACCAR MX fuel system is designed to meet rigorous emission standards and exceed fuel economy and drivability expectations. PACCAR achieves this by precisely controlling fueling over millions of injection cycles and engine revolutions. To ensure the precision is maintained, PACCAR created a test, administered by PACCAR's proprietary diagnostic tool, DAV4, to verify fuel injection precision and control. If a fuel injector has shifted, DAV4 will adjust the individual injector's calibration to bring it back to optimum. This injector verification test was added to the first C service for EPA 2021 MX engines. This service is performed at 150,000 miles or 240,000 kilometers for normal duty or line haul applications, and 60,000 miles, 96,000 kilometers for severe duty and vocational applications. The process only takes a few minutes to complete and ensures each EPA 2021 PACCAR MX engine retains optimal power, fuel economy, and hauls payloads like the day it was purchased. PACCAR is committed to innovation, meeting regulations, and delivering the power and dependability needed to keep truck fleets and owners profitable. Begin the process by connecting DAV4 and navigating to the Verify Injector Calibration test. The total test takes approximately 12 minutes. Begin by checking the fuel system for any external leaks and repair them before proceeding with the Verify Injector Calibration test. Also, make sure that the low-pressure fuel system is working correctly. With DAV4 connected and the engine running at idle, navigate to the Verify Injector Calibration test and confirm for Davy that there are no leaks in the system by clicking on the operator input icon and selecting the check mark or the X. Of course, if the leak condition requires you to choose the X, the test will not run, and the associated leak needs to be repaired before running the test. Once both check marks are selected, click the Continue arrow. The engine RPM will increase to approximately 1200 RPM, and the test begins. The test will run for several minutes. Davy will analyze the results and make any required changes to the PCI programming and report any further associated repair requirements to the technician. At this point, the technician should refer to the Verify Injector Calibration section of RMI for how to proceed. The test routine consists of 4 phases. First, the start phase. After the engine is started, the engine RPM will increase to 1200 RPM for the entire duration of the test. Second, the injector noise phase. The fuel injectors have an internal sensor that registers the opening and closing moment of the injector needle, start and end point of injection. During the noise check phase, the sensor function and communication with the PCI-2 ECU is checked for all injectors. If the injector fails the noise test, the injector will not be tested or calibrated later in the test. Third, the learning phase. For each fuel injector, the control deviation is determined at a specific fuel rail pressure level. Subsequently, the established compensation is programmed in the PCI-2 ECU. This procedure is repeated at 2 other fuel rail pressure levels. The end phase. After the test routine is completed, the engine RPM drops to idle, and the test result is displayed on the Davy screen. The engine can then be switched off. Once the test is complete, providing Davy delivers the message, "Service is run successfully and compensation applied," the test is complete, and the truck is now ready for additional maintenance or to be returned to the customer.